slime. Buy one of these and put some soap in it for a year or lots of years. And then all you gotta do is squirt it. And look. It's slime. That's how you make soap slime. And then, if you gotta wash your hands, you can make some slime. And then you're like, I don't want this slime anymore. And then all you gotta do is this. Rub. I actually need it because nah, this is too much information. I'm not telling you.